This is our quick room tour and review of the Avanti Boutique Hotel in Ho Chi Minh. I think this is a superior double room. I think it was pretty much their most basic room on the website anyway. So you've got a large bed, 2 bedside tables, well, 1 bedside table, 1 dressing table. There's a power socket there, good sized mirror. This room is internal to the hotel, so it doesn't actually have a window. This is like a fake window, and it's got its own light so that you can turn it on and off. I would say this is actually an advantage because it means you've got no noise at all from outside on the street, and bearing in mind we're right in the heart of District 1, the location is amazing, but it's not at all noisy. You've got a decent size wardrobe with some hangers, Hairdryer Safe, and they provide you with some flip-flops to use in the room if you want to. TV, tea and coffee making facilities, and there's a little fridge. It comes with water, Coke, Sprite, but those are chargeable, so if you drink them they will leave you a bill in the room, but there is space there for you to be able to put your own drinks in anyway. The room's got air conditioning, and then shower room is just your usual toilet, sink, mirror. They provide you with a few amenities, toothbrush, comb, soap, and there was some cotton buds as well. Another electrical outlet, and then you've got a large walk-in shower with shower gel and shampoo. I'd say the room has been very comfortable, it's been very clean. There are a few maintenance issues, so the smaller shower head, we couldn't move that up and down because that had broken. The toilet roll holder was broken. Just a few minor things, but I think all in all, good value for money. We ended up paying £27 per night, and that included the breakfast buffet, which I've done a brief video on for you as well. So we'd recommend it. The only thing to be aware of, because of the window situation, it is quite warm in this room, so we had to sleep with the air conditioning on, which it didn't really bother us, but just something to factor in.